Welcome back, Shantonians. Just kidding. That's not the name of my fandom. Now, I know a lot of you are happy I brought back my intro skits because y'all been bugging me in the comments. You're welcome. Anyways, let's just get to the main part of this video because I know you guys are excited. I am too. Now, I have discovered a little secret. Okay, step by step. You're a little too close to my face now. Okay, now I did discover a little secret. I discovered a couple of websites on the interweb because y'all already know on this channel, Shantae did a thing. Because we stay doing things. I discovered a couple webby sites on the interwebs on how I can make money and you from YouTube videos without even being monetized. I know what you're probably thinking. You've heard 1,000 of these videos before, but wait! As from what y'all have seen from my other YouTube videos, you know my word is good. I don't lie to my fans. I don't lie to my Shantonians. Okay, just kidding. That's not the name. I swear that's not your name. So there are 4 ways that I've discovered how y'all and me, because I've already been doing it, can make some money, honey, without YouTube's permission. Now, the first webby site that I discovered where you can make money is a site called Hideout. Now, I can't give myself all the credit. I actually got the info from this YouTuber, Deanna's Troy Travels, from her Facebook group that I joined a couple months back. She advertised it, I clicked on it, asked a couple questions, and bada bing, bada boom! Money, money, money! Money, money, money! Now, pretty much how this website works, it's almost exactly the same way as YouTube, just without all the extra BS. Now, this channel, I get the impression it's not family friendly, but they don't like certain topics and they explain it when you sign up as well. But for the most part, nearly all of my content has been uploaded to the website. Every time I upload a video to YouTube, I upload the same exact video to this website. They do allow you to do that. There's a place where you can add tags, upload custom thumbnails. You can even create multiple channels and pick which ones you want to add the video to. You can actually add one video to multiple channels as well. I don't see the point of that, but hey, it's your account. And unlike YouTube, you are automatically monetized from day one. The more people watch your videos, the more money you get. It is not a lot from the jump, because again, it is a new website, but you do get to make a little bit of coin, honey. Oh, and there's no minimum watch hours or minimum amount of subscribers or anything like that. You just make your coin and they send out the money to you every month, and there's no minimum balance. Do not forget, y'all, you gotta pay taxes on this too. Okay, so be careful out there in these streets. That's how old Uncle Sam gets ya. Oh, and Hideout does have a referral service, so kind of like an affiliate link. If you click on my link down below, when you sign up through my link, I get a little something, you get a little something, we both get a little something. And that's pretty much it. And the second way I discovered how y'all can make some money on YouTube without actually being monetized is affiliate. I know I've mentioned this in like 3 other videos before. If you haven't watched those videos, I go way into depth on what websites you can get affiliate links from and how to monetize on it as well. But just a quick 10-second recap. You pretty much go to a website that you like, usually one that you're already using, similar to a lot of the big YouTubers, but these are on a much smaller scale. For example, I like to use Chime Bank. I signed up through someone else's affiliate link. I got $50. They get $50. Now I have a link myself. So if you go down to the description box down below, click the link, you get some money, I get some money, you'll get some money. And if you want to link to my affiliate links video, there's like 10 different affiliate links. Click to that video. There's a whole bunch of affiliate links that I'm partnered with. You guys can go make some money on those as well. And how you make money through YouTube videos is that on every single video you post on YouTube, even if you only got 2 videos, post all of your affiliate links in your description box. So every time people are going there to look up more information, or if you have your other social medias posted, they'll be able to see, oh, this person is affiliated with this company. I've heard of it. Let me click on it and see what that's all about. That's another very easy way to make money on YouTube through your links. Now, the third way to make some moolah on the YouTubes and not be monetized is through subscription services. Now, because you're not monetized, you can't do that little join button and have that monthly subscription through YouTube, but you can do it on a few sites I'm sure a lot of you heard of. You can do it on Patreon, you can do it on Subscribestar, and you can do it on OnlyFans. Now, I know what you're thinking. Just so you guys know, OnlyFans was a website that people was using as a Patreon, and then, certain people started getting on it, and then it blew up, and now it has a reputation for being for one thing, which is not true. There are artists, there are actresses, there are musicians, there are other people on there doing things not related to you know what. But you can if you want to, or if you don't want to be associated with it at all, that's totally fine. I myself already got some subscriptions to Patreon. Very proud of myself. And again, put these all in the links to your videos and make sure you have it in your end screen to let people know that it exists so they can go to it and check it out, and maybe they want to support you. Whether you're offering extra special behind the scenes stuff or commentary, or it's just a place where people can support you so you can get better equipment or create more high quality videos for your fans. Yeah, so start your subscription service. But if you do want to click on my link down below, it'll direct you to the Patreon, Subscribestar, or OnlyFans site, and you'll be able to set up your own account and decide whatever you want to do with it. Oh, and the fourth way of making money on YouTube is through, drumroll please, is through Cameo. I know some people have heard of it. It sounds pretty cool, but it sounds kind of dorky at the same time. Now, I will say, you do need some type of following on any platform. It doesn't have to be more than one. So if you're not monetizing YouTube, you're probably not going to get submitted to Cameo. But if you just happen to be one of those people who is big on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, or any other social media platform, you can sign up for Cameo as well, even though you're not monetized on YouTube as of yet. So pretty much how it works is that your fans go to your site, they click on your little adorable faces, and they request that you either say something or do something, and then you can either accept or deny it. For example, your fans can ask you for a birthday request, or maybe someone they know is sick and they're a really huge fan of yours, and let's say your subscription service is $5, or it could be $100, depends on how big you are and how much you think you're actually worth to your fans, or how much they're willing to pay based on your content. And they can, pay the $5, the $1, the $70, whatever how much you choose, and you can make the request, you can accept, deny it, and boom, now you made more money on YouTube without actually being monetized on YouTube. Well, those are my 4 top ways where you can make some more moolah off of YouTube without actually being monetized on YouTube. And if any of you guys have actually heard of these websites already, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you're actually intrigued or interested, definitely go to my description box, click on those links, head on over, and start making some money. Alright, so that's everything I have to say. If there's more, I'll definitely do a part dos. But for now, toodles! Hey guys, I've updated my Patreon to show some new goals that I have for both my YouTube channels. On my main channel, Shantae did a thing, since it is all about traveling and making money. I'm going to start using those funds so that I can send one of you guys to somewhere cool in the entire world.
all expenses paid. And for my commentary channel, Shantae Said a Thing, I want you guys to start telling me what type of videos you want me to review, talk about, or react to. So head on down to patreon.com/Shantae Did a Thing and let's build up the patronage.
Well, that's the end of the video. And if you want to laugh your patootie off, click that one. And if you want to laugh until you can't laugh no more and your side's about to explode, definitely click that one. But either way, you're going to be laughing. Bye.